This is Lake Taneycomo here in Branson, Missouri, and the lake has spilled its banks. It is flooding a campground and a boat launch. As you can see, that boat launch over there, access is underwater. The Andy Gump over there is pretty much under, the access to it's underwater. If the lake rises anymore, it's going to consume that. This is the parking area for launching boats. As you can see, where you park your car, there are ducks or geese floating around. Bad flooding here.
Oh, he's stuck up there. He's going down.
Oh no.
He's going to town. We look for that, nothing. He can't sit there for a while. It looks like